Hello, I'm Master123. I'd like to wish everybody happy holidays. I want to show you what I got for Christmas. So let's get right into the video. Yeah, these are like the cards that I got for Christmas for the holidays. So I got a nice unicorn deck. If we open it up, it's got like a nice back to it. It's a unicorn. So you have so the black cards are purple. The red cards are pinkish red, I'd say. Yeah. Let's give it a nice shuffle. That was a terrible shuffle. There we go. So yeah, this is my unicorn deck. I don't know what this word is. I feel like it's Spanish. Yeah, I think it's Spanish. Because, yeah, this says something in Spanish probably. I got was just like a standard back blue bicycle deck. The cards are nice and stiff. Haven't used them yet. So it's a blue bicycle back. So what I got is another cool deck, but the problem is it isn't in English. It's kind of like Japanese or whatever you want to call it, Chinese. So the back is black, and it's cool because this is a steel case cover for it, so it can't rip or break. What's cool about this deck is that the spades are white, the numbers in the spade. The clubs are green, the diamonds are blue, I really like it, and the hearts are red. So it's 4 different colors for the clubs, hearts, spades, and diamonds, which I think is really cool. Another cool thing about this deck is it's not paper. I don't know, plastic. I don't know. It's durable, I should say. Thing is a tragically royal deck, but it's cool. What does this say? Cards glow under black light. So these glow in the dark under a black light, which I don't have. But these are cool. These are gray. I like this. Spread them out. So it comes with a gaff. So gray on one side and then gray with the red on that side. I like the face card, the queen. That's what the queen looks like. This is what the jack looks like. This is what the king looks like, but the king of hearts. So if I pick another one, the king of clubs, the king of clubs and the king of hearts are different, and then the king of spades. Sorry. They're all different. If I find the king of diamonds, yeah, they're all different. So the different face cards are making different faces, which is funny. Another really cool deck that I got was a rainbow deck. It's not like this deck where it's tie-dyed. It actually has different colors like a rainbow. Each card is a different color. So you got and they're all different kinds. I guess this was an older time of a bicycle deck. You got this, whatever this is. 2 dogs barking. and it says, "There's a tie that binds us to our homes." And then you have like these kinds, like this. It's all interesting, but then you got the normal standard back. I really like the green. You got a fuchsia, blue, red. I like this one. This one is cool. Black, purple, another blue, brown, which is discontinued. This yellow is very bright. Yellow. See, these are different though. It's cool. Like, I guess like this is how Bicycle evolved their decks. So yeah, this one's really cool. Also has like a gaff, so it's like back to back. It's got a red, blue standard, and then like a red older one, like an older back gaff. So you got like the dogs, and then the standard, and then another that, and then like the blue. Yeah, this is a really cool deck. It's the rainbow deck. Another deck that I got was a Stargazer deck. Yeah, opened it. So let's do it right now. Alright. So I'm gonna figure out how I can do this. I always have a problem with opening packages like these. Oh, I did it right. I did it good. Alright, so if you're someone who's into Magic and you just open a brand new deck of cards, and you're always like, how do I get through this? Like, I don't want to ruin it. So what you do, you'll take just a card from another deck, slide it through here, like this. To open, if you don't want to ruin the sticker. Alright, so I haven't shuffled these yet. Well, obviously, because I just opened them. Now that is cool. You got your thing there. You got, let's read here. Get lost in space with this beautifully illustrated deck of cards. Bicycle playing cards, Stargazer. Features colors and designs inspired by one of the most mysterious and awesome objects in the universe, the black hole. The tuck box brings the brilliance of stars to life. So this is what it's calling. This is what with reflect silver foil. It's like the words. They like reflect. Great for any game or magic trick. You will love playing with this deck hand after hand. Or you like to do magic tricks. The Joker's interesting. But there's only one. Got the Ace. I really like bicycle decks. I mean, like, this is really cool, but like, although it doesn't have like the standard like logo on it, I really like it, even though like it is a bicycle deck. I like this logo. It's just like bicycle decks are like really cool. I like them. Guys, every like, you're seeing every deck that I have besides like that one and a few decks, other decks are bicycle. I love bicycle, like the logo that it has. They make really cool decks. But this deck, it's special. It's not bicycle, but like, it's a jumbo deck. This is like the only jumbo deck that I have, first jumbo deck that I've ever gotten. And they might, but I don't think bicycle makes jumbo decks. I don't know, they might. A jumbo. Oh wow, It's really big. So I guess this is for like stage performing. Haven't shuffled it yet. Let's try it. This is gonna be fun. That wasn't that bad. So yeah, it's jumbo. It's not bicycle. I really like bicycle though. Alright, last but certainly not least, is just a nice red back. Alright, I'm gonna perform this trick. Alright, so we have shuffled. They're all shuffled, sort of anyways. Here, let me do a nice shuffle for y'all. I said nice shuffle, but it turned out to be a bad shuffle. Alright. Alright, so I'll have the spectator pick a card. So say this one right here. Alright, I don't want to look at it because that's the whole point, is to guess what card it is. So I'm going to guess what card it is. I want to say this card is an ace. Doesn't have hearts. It's definitely not diamonds. I don't think it's spades either, so we're left with ace of clubs. And that it is. The ace of clubs. Yeah, this is a really cool trick. I'm not gonna reveal it because it's like really cool, but I am gonna say that you'll need a special deck if you want to do this trick. Thank you so much for watching. So like and subscribe. Leave a comment of what you think. And happy holidays. I'll see you next time.